everyone, we are back. We've had a year off and we're ready to start working on Roseraie again and doing videos again. I'm a little bit nervous because everything's been left for a year and we don't really know what needs doing, and I'm worried that we might not be able to do it all. So this week, whilst Dave's off working, I'm going to be stock taking and checking all our equipment and making sure we know exactly where we're at. I wanted to check all our equipment and stock take everything. I did this when we closed as well. I do have a list in my folder, but because we didn't open last year and things have moved around and I live with a family who like to use and find things, I need to double check and go through everything. So I opened the cupboard this morning and it is definitely not the organised, amazingly OCD thing that I left it in. I have been avoiding it for this reason. The boys have moved some things. Obviously the duvet covers must have been used and left in the duvet. The duvets are in there. So this will all mean checking and washing again. I think the children have been hiding in there as well. Might be a lot of washing to do. Wish me luck. Oh, and we have a little explorer as well. Where is she? Can you see her? Yeah. I've made a bit of progress with the cupboard. Went a lot slower than I thought it would. So this bit's all sorted, and I got out all the duvets. Yes. Although I'm running low on sets of bedding, and I think it might have got mixed up in our stuff. So I better go and find that. And here is all the duvets and pillows and cushions that we have. I don't think I need any replacements, so that's brilliant. But I do need to find a way to store them because lots of them came out of the vacuum packing and they're not going to fit back in the cupboard. But they're safe here for now. I'm searching for the sets of bedding that I'm missing, which I'm pretty sure we've been using elsewhere in the house, especially when we've had people to stay. So I thought, oh, I know, it'll be in our linen closet upstairs. Check out our linen closet upstairs. So guess who's got even more sorting to do?
While Rosie's been doing the fun stuff, I've been stuck doing this.
Can you believe I fit all of that in that cupboard? And this. Right, so here's the cupboard. And our nosy cat. Hi, Indy. Better sort it all out then. And now I have to show you the cupboard. There we go, as you can see. Actually, all organised, we can get to everything. This is just the linen cupboard for the house though. So, yes, I'll finish up the Roseraie one. And you can see that as well. Moving on to outside, I've been checking all the equipment inside the kitchen, the bathroom and the storage room, which has our tents in and all the beds dismantled. So I've got my bit of paper where I've been writing all the notes, so I know everything that needs to be, most stuff's in good condition actually, but there's a few bits that need replacing, repairing and that. Right now I'm just going to wander around our garden to check what outdoor furniture we've got because it's all moved around everywhere. So There's a few bits there, which were originally for the Roseraie. I'm going to count them up, but I think I might buy some new stuff for the Roseraie this year. But still, I need to know what I've got. And there's more around the corner. So I need to count them up as well. Yeah. And then I'll know what needs to be done. Nearly there. I am back inside and now I'm doing even more boring stuff. I'm not even sure why I'm doing a video because this cannot be that much fun to watch. Anyway, I have completed my list stock take, and so I've checked everything that needs. I checked what we've got, and I checked what needs fixing and what needs replacing. And actually, I was dreading doing this because I was like, oh, we haven't done anything for a year, and we've been using stuff and having a few parties, and everything's everywhere. But actually, it's quite organised, and we had loads more kit than I knew that we had. So I'm getting quite excited and feeling like, oh, we might actually be able to get everything ready in time. And so, yeah, that's really good. Dave is busy. He's away for a few days at the minute, earning some money. Which is always really helpful. He's going to be really pleased because when I finish this, there's going to be a nice list of things for both of us to get on with, and I don't know how he's going to fit it in around his other work, but I won't be able to do all of it by myself.
Thank you very much for watching the video. As you can see, it's been a very busy week. While Rosie's been working here at home, I've been working away all over France. We've been driving from site to site, installing lightning protection on containerised data centres.
And you had a bit of fun as well, didn't you, going between sites?
We did, yeah, because there's been protesting farmers. They've blocked off a lot of the routes onto the major motorways and set roundabouts on fire, rolling roadblocks. There's been bridges that we couldn't get past because they've blocked all the bridges.
I swear it was the highlight of your week.
It was, yeah. So the first day we couldn't get, we had to go on 3 bridges to get over the Loire. So yeah, that was fun. That was great.
Yeah.
But on the plus side, I did get to put my drum kit up, and now we've got music in the house again.
Yeah, that's great. I've even heard Oliver playing on it. It's really nice.
Yeah, he loves it.
Yeah. I've had quite a good week. So my linen closet's all sorted, the Roseraie one and the house one, and yeah, and we've got enough bedding, so I'm pleased about that. I might like get some more, but it's not urgent. And I checked all the equipment, and most things are in good condition. I'm not completely happy with tents, but they are good enough for the year. So that's good. And I know I have a very detailed list of repairs and work that we need to do. The biggest one is the bathrooms. There's a little leak in the roof, and we need to survey the damage and decide what we're going to do. But I'll talk to you about that next week. But mostly, I'm feeling quite optimistic and pleased.
Yay!
Yeah, because I didn't think that everything looks doable and affordable. So, yeah, it's going to be good.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, that's what we've been doing this week. So next week we'll be looking at the repairs we need to do, make sure we've got everything in to do them, and hopefully get some of them done, and like getting the sand in for levelling the pool, getting stuff we need for the bathrooms, and there's the football table needs repairing, and some of the dining tables need treating. So we'll get all the stuff in for that, and hopefully I can get started on it. And I don't know how much you're working yet, so hopefully I won't be doing it by myself.
No, you shouldn't be.
Yeah, I know we haven't done a video for a while, so sorry if we're a bit. Yeah. But we've come out the other side now, and we're ready to get on again, aren't we?
Yeah.
It's the year off was good. It was mental health of the whole family has improved, hasn't it? And we're a lot more settled, and we understand our finances, and we understand our lifestyle, and we're ready to enjoy doing this again.
Yeah. I can't wait to get started.
Yeah. So see you next week.
Yeah. See you next week.